So I'll be your speaker. I'm Martin Tagano III. So I've been with IMG for the last 10 years. So as a background, I started in 2007 until 2013 as a part-timer. So 8 to 5, I worked for, which is my original profession. I'm a geologist for the Philippine National Oil Company. Then after 5 years, I decided to switch. So I took IMG as a full-time career. So this is Fast Track School. The idea of Fast Track School is to orient you. So just like we were in college, di ba may freshman orientation program, to give you an idea, what's in it for you for the next 4 years or the next 5 years? Ano yung mga subjects na i-take mo? What's the sequence? What should be expected from you, or what should be expected from your teacher? What should you learn from this module, the subjects, etc. So that works the same way. So here in Fast Track, we'll give you an idea, what's in it for you, how to build up a career in IMG, or how to maximize your learning in IMG, how to maximize the benefits that IMG offers. So first, let's answer what's IMG, or as part of the company, we should be aware, right? So IMG, it's one of the fastest growing financial services marketing company. So we market, it's not the traditional way that we sell insurance or we sell investment. Our main weapon is financial education, because we believe once a person understands, diba, that person will take initiative to start building his financial foundation. Just very different from, say for example, I'm an agent, I will instruct you, buy this, do this, without even fully understanding why are you doing that, or why would you invest. So we've been expanding aggressively. So we have presence here in the Philippines. So we have in Makati, Cebu, Iligan, Cagayan de Oro, Davao, Cavite. So it's really going worldwide. In Southeast Asia, we have presence in Hong Kong, Macau, Taiwan. In the Middle East, we have in Abu Dhabi, Dubai, Doha, Kuwait, Saudi. So it doesn't necessarily mean that you have a physical office, because IMG is a business that you can do online. So we also have in the US, Canada, and really going worldwide. I think recently, Israel, we have a lot of members from Europe and from Israel. So it's a new world of possibilities. So IMG is a new concept in the financial industry, which helps us to build our financial foundation. It teaches us concepts, and at the same time, it offers us complete facilities for to apply these concepts. Diba kasi in the past, we might have attended a lot of seminars or talks on investing, pero at the end, saan ako mag-invest? Anong gagawin ko? What are the concrete steps to take or to execute? So IMG is a platform, number one, to get educated on all aspects of personal finance. Because people would think personal finance is all about savings, it's all about investments. Personal finance also includes debt management. It also includes how to transfer your wealth or estate preservation. It also includes how to eliminate or consolidate debts, how to do budgeting, how to protect yourself, how to protect your assets. So it's really not all about savings and investments. So we have a complete approach. We have an all-around approach, so covering all aspects of personal finance. That's why in one of our materials, it says there, IMG is what? A total financial solution company. So we get educated, and consequently, we get access to hundreds of financial products and services. So we get the education and we get the opportunity to execute what we learn from here. And if you would treat IMG as a career, you receive training and support to manage your money. Say, for example, in mutual funds, we get constant market updates. We get guidance from speakers. We are constantly trained through conventions, through local events, through weekly trainings, BPMs, BNPs. Then it gives us also an opportunity to save money on various products and services. So you're diversified. You have a lot of options. And like say, for example, I'm an agent of company A. I'm just limited to invest on the products being offered by company A. In IMG, we have a lot of partner companies. So you have a lot of choices. You would examine yourself, what we call financial checkup, and after that, you'll find out what product or products best fits my needs. So you have a lot of options. The problem with being exclusive with one company is that even though you know that it's not your need, you have no option but to get it because that's your only choice. Unlike here in IMG. And then my favorite part is what? Earning, right? So you earn commissions by sharing your knowledge or your know-how with clients in the fast-growing industry. As human beings, we long for being reciprocated or being compensated. It's good to help, right? But it's better to be rewarded as well. Of course, being rewarded, it's one of the motivation to really do this. Wala namang nagsasabi, sige, kahit walang sweldo, kahit walang reward, basta tulong na ako ng tulong. I think, well, that's good, but it's better to also get rewarded by what you're doing. So here we say you can learn and earn in the financial industry. So you can do both. Matututo ka at kikita. So who wants that? I think most of us or all of us want that. So this is our brokerage. So see, as we've said, IMG is a total financial solution company, and it caters or it encompasses all aspects of personal finance. So you have healthcare, you have life insurance, you have investment, real estate, which is a form of investment, general insurance to protect our assets, and APS to transfer our wealth or to preserve our estate. So it caters everything that you have in your financial foundation. The problem is, what if you're just limited, say for example, just limited to this, to one company? Like Sun Life is one of our partners, but say for example, you're one of its agents. So you're just limited to offer what? Investments and insurance. As far as I know, they don't have healthcare or they don't have non-life insurances. So you've got to have a lot of options. So this is our crusade. What's our crusade? So you want to deliver the world's financial wake-up call. So a lot of people are still on the sleeping stage that what? They don't know that they already have problems when it comes to their finances. They live paycheck to paycheck or they live day by day without even thinking about their retirement. They just think, okay, so may sweldo naman ako every 15th and 30th. So no problem at all. But then the moment with 50 or 55, that's the time we start to panic. Have I saved enough? Have I prepared for my retirement? I will retire, I still have children in college. Could I manage to still send them to school? How about my medical needs after retirement? How about my unfinished loans? So really, we have to wake them up. So how do we wake them up? So we change people from spender to saver to investor. Diba? Hindi pwedeng baliktad. Diba? You entered here as an investor from mutual funds, tinransfer mo sa banko, binidro mo, sinapik mo. So it's not that way. So from spender, it's really easy to spend, right? Which is easier, saving or spending? Spending, we need not to be taught how to spend. You have 50,000, just go to the mall or shop online. It's really very easy to consume that 50,000. But what if somebody tells you, save 50,000? Is it hard or easy? It's hard. So that's why we have to transition from spender to saver. And there's a big difference between saving and investing. So saving is what? Keeping your money. Investing is growing your money. And from an investor, we also encourage people to become entrepreneurs. So don't be just content, be content with one source of income. You got to develop additional sources of income. If you're an employee, don't be satisfied with your pay. Explore some business opportunities. Explore some part-time careers. Or explore some other ways to earn, diba? We have our internet. You could really exhaust those resources to earn. So our vision is what? It says there to create a new industry where everyone is able to earn what the wealthy people are earning. So it's a great equalizer. So IMG doesn't look to people whether you're a professional or non-professional, whether you finish college or not, whether you're intelligent or not. So it's a great equalizer. Ang labanan dito is what? The discipline to execute what you learn. The discipline to really do IMG aggressively. So we bring the secrets of the wealthy to all. Because a lot of Filipinos have this mindset na pinanganak ako mahirap, mamamatay ako mahirap. It's unimaginable for them to really become wealthy. And whatever you conceive, that's what the universe gives you. If you always think that you're not going to be wealthy, then you will really be poor all your life. But if you envision yourself, like you have that mindset that I won't allow myself to retire poor, so that means you'll do everything just to become wealthy. So it's really all in the mindset. So concrete example is, could you wrap your mind by just earning 5,000 a month? Yes or no? Because your mindset tells you I'm not worth 5,000, right? But other people are satisfied by just earning 5,000 pesos a month. So translate that. Do I deserve 20 million pesos when I retire? So if your mindset is yes, so you do everything just to hit that, just to achieve that. They say our greatest enemy is ourselves because we try to limit ourselves. We try to limit our potentials. And that we should address. So everyone has the right to become wealthy if they have the right information. So it says here right information because I have encountered a lot of people, it's not a problem with them to save money or to keep money. But the problem comes in to the aspect, where do they put their money? Most of them in the bank. Or some of them don't believe in banks, they just keep in their home or in the boat, right? I can remember once I rode an Uber. So he worked for 12 years in a company. Then he got his retirement. Hindi niya nilagay sa bangko yung withdraw niya, hindi niya nilagay sa bangko yung nakuha niya from retirement. Kasi tinanong ko siya, operator, driver mo ba kayo or driver? Sabi niya, sir, driver, pero sana dapat operator. Kasi dapat yung nakuha niya from retirement, pambibili sana namin sa sasakyan. Pero ang problema, the day before, nabili yung sasakyan, nasunog yung bahay nila. So literally, nasunog yung pera. Diba? Diba sana man ng chineke or binangko. So it's very important to have the right information. So see, our society right now, you have a lot of sources of information. So we should be able to discriminate between what's the right information, what's the real information against the unreal ones or the fake ones or the incorrect ones. So our missions, we help create wealth for families. So we help them. IMJ is all about helping people help themselves. But it's different from you help a person, okay, he needs money, I'll give him 10,000. But the moment that 10,000 is consumed, ano mangyayari? Hihingi siya ulit. But here in IMG, we offer the opportunity, the business opportunity na ibibigay ko sa'yo to, then it's up to you to grow this business. My sponsor in IMG is just a seatmate in the plane. So I'll be forever grateful for him inviting me here. Diba? Compare it to, say for example, he gave me $100. Once I consume that $100, I might already forget him, right? But then he gave me this business opportunity, which is up to now, I'm really enjoying, which in fact is my full-time career. So I'll never forget him. So we really help families create wealth, either through business, either teaching them where to invest their money, how to prepare for their retirement, how to build their financial foundation in the correct way. But before helping others, you should help yourselves first. But it's very challenging to teach other people or to help other people realizing that you yourself needs to be helped. So our first mission is ourselves. So no families left behind. During my early years here, the speaker asked some of the audience, like, how would you interpret no families left behind? And one of the audience really took it literally. Kasi sabi niya, marami daw Filipino breadwinners, iniiwan yung pamilya sa Pilipinas para magtrabaho sa ibang bansa for a greener pasture. So what if that same opportunity, that same income potential would be available here? Do you think is there still a need for Filipino breadwinners to go outside the country? I think wala na. So that's our mission. It's a long-term process. So what's our business model? Our business model is we are entrepreneurs. So we're not employees here. So we build our own business at your own time. But sometimes, the most challenging part is managing yourself. Tama ho ba? Kasi you always will find excuses. Sige, I'll take a rest for this day, babawiin ko na lang tomorrow. Tapos tomorrow, tinatamad ulit, sige, 24 hours ako magtatrabaho the following day. It's really much different, di ba? Sa company, you have a supervisor or a boss checking you every now and then. So it's a double-edged sword. You're not working for an insurance or investment companies. That's why you have no quota. You have no like time in, time out. It's really up to you. So there's time freedom. Again, you are not an employee. No quotas, you work at your own pace, at your own time, and you work at a flexible time schedule. So that's why here in IMG, the business model is friendly with employees. You need not to give up your work just to do IMG. But you can do your work 8 to 5, and after that, you can do your IMG business. And the good thing with our business is you have unlimited territory and income. If you ask someone from a traditional insurance company, they have like jurisdiction. You can only sell to people who are here in the Philippines. You cannot sell to your friend a life insurance who's based in Dubai or Saudi unless he comes back here. Also, what if, local example, what if may friend ako sa Davao, gusto niya kumuha? In IMG, we have like the match-up system. Sa kanila, wala. So, dun pa lang, limited ka na. And also, we don't have geographical limit. The fact that you can do IMG online, as long as na may internet connection, you can do IMG business. You can present online. You can generate quotation online. They can pay online. They can fill out forms online. So that's really a great advantage. And you should take advantage of that. Diba gana the times na ang presentation lang face-to-face. If you're just limited to that, you're really left behind. But take advantage of what the internet offers, of what technology offers. So you can build as big as you want, so no limits. So wherever, whoever, it's really up to you. So you can build in any city and any country around the world. So you can build direct. So build direct is, say for example, Vanessa is my member, I could directly build her because both of us are here. What if I have a member who is based in Hong Kong? I could build indirect. So I could use the BAP system or co-leadership system, or we could build together. I'll take care of your members here, you take care of my members there. So it's a team effort. So what do we do? So we help build a solid financial foundation. So this is our, kumbaga, if you have a job, this is our job description. We help people build a solid financial foundation. And what's the structure of a solid financial foundation? So just like building a house, it's building from the ground going up. Because the normal tendency of a person is to invest outright, forgetting all the other lower components. It's really wrong. You cannot build a house na third floor muna, second floor muna, tsaka basement. That's really unstable. So same goes with building your financial foundation. We really have to exert effort to build from the ground going up. Once this is stable, then it's much easier to build the upper components. So see, the ultimate goal in personal finance is investment. So this is our very treasure. Investment is you have money working for you. So as much as possible, you have to protect that so that that process continues and keeps on working out. Okay, so since this is our very treasure, this lower component serve as a protection to our investments. For your money to keep on working for you, this should be untouched. So if you get sick, you have healthcare to take care of your medical needs. So your money in investment is preserved. If something happens to you, disability or death, you are covered, so this remains untouched. You'll not pull out money from your investment. If an emergency happens, you'll not pull out money from your investment because you have emergency fund. So then, money keeps on working for you. If we forget all the lower components, that means our money in investment is always at risk of being pulled out. Hence this structure. Do we agree on that? Okay, so again, like building a house, you must build from the ground up. So what's your current financial foundation? A lot of people, di ba, wala na nga yung ibang components, eto lang meron. Letter A. So which do you have, A or B? A lot of our friends are in what situation? Letter A. So our mission, our goal then is for them from letter A to go to letter B, to have a foundation similar to that of letter B. It takes time. On the average, it will take you 7 years. 7 years to 10 years of religiously investing, religiously keeping a portion of your income and putting that money here. So we can help people build the right financial foundation. If they have the will, we will show them the way. That's our challenge here. Even though our concepts are very informative, very good, it's really still a hassle why some people don't appreciate these concepts, or why some people don't execute the concepts that we teach. So again, at the end of the day, it's up to the person. So we just teach them. At the end, still, it would be their decision. Okay, to guide us, sino pang hindi naka-encounter nito? Okay, so this is our flagship concept. So this just tells us There are two lines to take care of when we grow old. So the line going up, this is what we call our savings line. So from young getting old, our savings should go up. The other line, which goes the opposite direction, is what we call responsibility line, which goes the opposite direction. So from big responsibility to old, to no responsibility, or to zero responsibility. So the idea is, from young getting older, our savings should what? Should increase. Every peso saved is a peso reduction to our responsibility. Example, you figured out a specific responsibility. You figured out that for your child to graduate in college, you'll need 2 million pesos. So that's your responsibility. Okay. Once you save 500,000, so then your responsibility goes down to how much? 1.5 million. So the moment you have 2 million, that means that educational responsibility is what? Zeroed out. Because you have the money na pangkapal dun sa responsibilidad mo. But in reality, it's not, education is not just our responsibility. We have a lot of responsibilities. The goal is, the ultimate goal is, before we retire, we should have enough money so that the interest of this alone would be enough to take care of our needs. So that's what we call passive income. So from active income to passive income. Passive income is you need not to do something just to earn. You have 10 billion pesos invested on 10% fixed interest, then you get 1 million a year. 10 million remains intact. This is to address the two F's in life. On a younger stage, what if I die? So income is gone, sinong sasalo ng mga responsibility ko? So dun papasok ang insurance. Insurance, to get the claim, something should happen. What if nothing happens? What if I live too long? So I need investment. So there should be transition. Us working for the money to money working for us. Or from what? From insurance transitioning to investment. So you have two options in life. Either you work for the money or you let money work for you. Which is better, one or two? Two. But to be able to reach this, we have to do this first. Tama? So we really have to maximize our productive years. Habang nandiyan ang income, kumbaga itodo na yung pag-iipon. Because it's only in saving and generating additional sources of income that would help us to reach the stage. Because number one is not forever, right? If you're a call center agent, you cannot take a shift 9 p.m. to 5 a.m. at 80 years old or at 85 years old. So before we retire, we should be able to reach the stage. So the solution then is learn how money works. So that leads us to what we call compounding interest. So the formula for that is 72 divided by the interest given to your money is equal to the number of years it will take your money for a given value to double. So whatever currency is that. So example, the bank O gives 1% interest. So how many years it will take your money to double? So let's just substitute. So 72, we're given 1 as the interest. 72 divided by 1 is equal to 72 years. So example, if you're 20 years old right now, you have 10,000 pesos. You deposited that to Bank O. So at 92 years old, may 20,000 ka na. Less what? Less 20% withholding tax. So mga 16 ha. Yun. So that's the formula. Okay. Definite example, what if you put that on a time deposit at 4%? So 72 divided by 4 is equal to 18. So money doubles every 18 years. You have 100,000 here at 20 years old. So at 56 years old, you have 400,000. Is this enough to retire? Hindi. So what if we double the interest? So we start at the same age and same capital, starting capital. So at the age of 56, you have 1.6 million. Enough na ba yun to retire? Hindi pa rin. What if at 12%? So same age, then same starting value or capital. But at the age of 56, you have 6.4 million pesos. Okay, this might not be enough, but relatively much better than 8 or 4. But the problem is, we put our money in the bank, and the bank reinvests your money there. So at the time that you reach this, bank will give you 400,000 pesos. How much did they earn? 6 million. And that's the cost of not knowing where 12% is. So that's how important it is to have the right information. So in this case, this is fourfold. And 12% versus 4%, 16 times. So how much money you need to retire? Miss Ems, how much do you think? Sige, I will paraphrase it. Ano yung pera sa kamay mo na kung mahawakan mo, sa tingin mo, pwede ka nang tumigil sa pagtatrabaho? Confident ka kasi kahit hindi na ako mag-report sa CSB, no? Kaya, magkano kaya?
For me, mga 10 and
So 10M. Si Peter, magkano?
20.
20 million. Okay. So sometimes it's also the answer. The other aspect of that is the answer to what if a person asks you how much is your worth? Or how much are you? Magkano ka? Loida, magkano ka? Some people would say, I'm priceless. So you're zero. Priceless. Less is zero. Okay. So the formula for that is retirement needed is equal to monthly income times 12. So you have annual income times 10. Actually, to factor in inflation, we make this times 20. So annual income times 20, that's how much you need to retire. So example, if you're earning 50,000 per month, so that's 600,000 a year. Once you hit, so 600,000 times 20. 600,000 times 20, so 6 times 12. So if you have 12 million, you have the right then to retire. So in our example, so 20,000 times 12, so annual income is 240,000 times 10. So that's 2.4 million. So the idea is, you have your 2.4 million, invest it at 10% a year. 10% of 2.4 million is how much? 240,000. And that's your annual income. So, but in this scenario, you have 2.4 million to work for you. So you just get the 10%, 2.4 million remains intact. So that's similar to working actively and getting a pay of 20,000 a month. Okay, so 240,000 divided by 12, that would also give you 20,000. So you were able to replace your active income with passive income. So what facility to apply that concept? So what we recommend to start as a beginner, mutual funds. So mutual fund means ownership. Like in the bank, would they tell you, or do you have the right to know where do they put your money? Have you ever asked the teller, please saan ilalagay yung pera mo? Hindi, di ba? So in mutual funds, we have ownership. Then every time you invest, that would be, you'll be given back with shares. Then it should be long term. So you have ownership. you should accumulate shares as much as you can, then it should be long-term. Hindi yung pwedeng, Marjun, kailan pwedeng i-withdraw? Diba, hindi pa nga nagsisave, withdrawal na kaagad. So it should be long-term. Long-term means like 7 years or even longer than that. So mutual funds is, they pull your money, they pull our money, then they would invest on these companies. So see, these companies are well represented, from aviation, to food industry, to real estate, to telecommunications, to utilities, to banking. So diversified yung pera. Unlike kung nag-trade ka, tapos you just bought PLDT shares, if PLDT goes down, then your shares as well go down. So dito, bumaba man yung PAL, baka bugiin ni Cebu Pacific. Bumaba man yung PLDT, i-mitigate ni Globe and Smart. So that's the advantage of mutual funds. So would you like to be partners with these companies? Diba? How would it feel if you're a part owner of Jollibee or GMA or ABS-CBN? So mutual funds, money cost averaging. So this is a technique to systematically purchase shares at a constant amount. So instead na isang bagsakan, staggered. Yung ibang tao, kasi Martin, ayoko na may iniintindi. So isang bagsakan na lang. Becoming wealthy is not really all about accumulating money. More to that is the discipline you develop to yourself. Every month, unconditional, you will invest this amount of money. So say, for example, month number 1, so for the next 6 months, your monthly contribution is 100 pesos. So during the first month, the price per share is 100. So how many shares you were able to buy? 1. So imagine nyo lang ito yung presyo ng gasolina, which fluctuates. So habang tumataas yung price per share, mas konti yung nabibili mo or naloload mo. But on month number 2, yung price per share, naging kalahati, naging 50. So with the same amount of money, yung number of shares, na doble. So up to month 6, the total number of shares you accumulated is 18. And mutual funds, if you would redeem, which is equivalent to withdrawal sa banko, so the formula is the number of shares times the price per share at the time that you redeem. So in this case, 18 times 50 is how much? 18 times 50 is 900. How much did you contribute total? 600. So how much did you earn? So 300. Unlike if you did not do money cost averaging, that means 600, binuhos mo the first month. So how many shares were you able to get? 6. So 6 times 50, 300, so you lose 300 pesos. It's much important to have it constant kesa sa isang bagsakan. So know the rest. Market fluctuates. So hindi siya yung palaging tumataas, palaging, so it's really a combination of ups and downs. Scenario 1, market is going up. So on the y-axis, you have the price per share. Ito yung sinabi natin parang presyo ng gasolina. So this is your contribution, month 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. On the first month, you put 100. So 100 divided by 10, so you have 10 shares. Price per share goes up to 12, so you have less shares. So the total shares you will be able to buy on this scenario is 42.28. When you redeem at 20, you have 845.6. So you contributed 600, you gain 245.6 after 6 months. Is that good? Pwede na, compared sa banko. What if like this? Who wants this? Bumaba, pero naka-pick up. Which is better, 1 or 2? 2. Let's check. So total number of shares that you get is 85.25. You redeem at 10. So you gain 252.5. Around 5 pesos. Higher than scenario number 1. Okay, most of us will fear this. The market goes down and it was not able to recover on the original price per share. But you know, this scenario gives you the opportunity to gain the maximum. So the total number of shares is 257.22. You redeem at 4.5. How much is the total value? 1,157.49, which is more than double of scenarios 1 and 2. Okay, so one benefit as IMG members, if we have zero load on all plans sold by Ramper Financials. Before this benefit, say for example, you invest on Phil Equity 10,000 pesos, they would get 3.5% of that, which is 350. But with this benefit, yung 10,000 mo, walang bawas yon, ipapambili ng shares. Magkano membership dito? 4.5. That means 150,000 na accumulated na invest mo sa mutual funds, bawi mo na yung 4.5. So this is exclusive for IMG members. So the complete financial plan. So what if, aning two risks, what if I die too soon? The solution is life insurance. What if I live too long? The solution should be a combination of, investment and long-term healthcare. So if you could manage to have this three, then you have a complete financial plan. So you have healthcare, life insurance, emergency fund, and investment. So the facility to apply that is yung Kaiser Ultimate Health Builder. You learn more on this in the product training, but just to give you an idea. So this is how it works. You just have to invest for 7 years. While investing, ito yung benefits mo. Annual physical exam, dental checkups, waiver of installment due to death or disability, etc. Okay, so 7 years lang. It's really clear. Unlike sa BUL, may mga clauses. If the fund is enough, if the interest is enough, etc. Here, in contract, it's clear. You just have to pay 7 years. After 7 years, you have no obligation. Okay. After the 7th year, your fund or your plan starts to gain interest. So the interest is 10% based on your plan type. So your plan is K100. So 10% of 100,000 is how much? 10,000. So you have 10,000 a year for 13 years. So 10,000 times 13, how much is that? 130. But how come you have 269,750 here? Okay, you have the option. Ipo-pull out ko ba yung, gagamitin ko ba yung interest for medical purpose or not? Okay. Kung hindi ko siya gagalawin, automatically that interest i-roll over. And that interest also gains interest. So compounding interest. So 10 plus 10, so you have 20 lang dapat. So naging 21,000 siya. So instead of 130, you get 269 plus. Okay, important features is this. Healthcare siya. The healthcare component is you have short-term here, you have long-term here. The insurance component goes with, for the next 20 years, insured ka ng 450,000 pesos if natural death. Kung accident times 2. Yung investment comes in after the 7th year and as well after maturity. So it's a complete financial plan. So you'll know more about this in the product training. Okay, one benefit, if you are an SMD with qualification, they will give you exclusive healthcare card from Kaiser. So like in my case, what I got then was 100,000 per illness per year. So how do we start our IMG business? So these are the promotion guidelines. So you start as a TA or training associate, marketing director, senior marketing director, executive marketing director, green jacket, which is my level at present, CEO marketing director, and EVC marketing director. So these are the guidelines. I-discuss ko muna in details hanggang senior marketing director. Kasi ang goal natin, you might be an associate now. So our next goal is to become marketing director and eventually become senior marketing director. Okay, marketing director, the first option is 5-5-30. So this means 5 members, 5 sales, and 30 days. And those should be direct. I'm a new member. Member ko si Loida, si Ems, si Vanessa, si Peter, si Jerry. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And I should be able to do that in 30 days. 5 sales, which is Kaiser. This sales could come from the 5 members that I have or even outside that. Kasi pwedeng, kunyari si Miss J, sinabi niya sa akin, margin magsisave lang ako. Still, that could be counted as one of the 5 sales. Pwedeng sabihin ni Ems, sige later na yung pag-save ko. So from this, I get 1 member and I get 1 sale. So this 30 days is rolling over as long as you were able to do that on a bracketed 30 days. So hindi ka mag-start from 0. Are we clear on that?
Hindi mo tayo makakagit ng 5 pesos.
Okay, you'll not be promoted. You remain as an associate. Okay, so 5, 5, 30 personal. Option 2 is you have 3 empty club in 90 days. Okay. So you have 3 empty club in 90 days. So tatlong 3, 3, 30. So, but to be qualified as an empty club member is to have 3 members, 3 sales in 30 days. Say for example, Vanessa nag-3-3 siya, si Ems nag-3-3. Si Ian nag-3-3. Pero itong tatlo na to, direct sa akin, under sa akin.
What's 3?
3 members. So
3 members.
3 members, 3 sales, and 30 days.
90 days.
No. 3 empty club members is 3, 3, 30 days. So say for example, on month 1, I have her as my empty club member. On month 2, I have her as my empty club member. On my third one, I have her as empty club member. So that's totaling to 90 days. Are we clear on that? So definite example. Okay tayo sa option 1.
Yung isang MD is 5,530.
Okay. Empty is 5,530. Empty club is 3,330.
How do you become an MD?
To become an MD is 5,530.
So,
Member of MD club is 3,330. So you have 2 options. Either you qualify through option 1 or option 2. So whichever comes first, or which I think is easier for me. So I could have 5 direct, or I could say, Loida, you run 3,330, you run 3,330, you run 3,330. Still, I will be promoted to marketing director. So it's really your option. Sino ng MD dito? Anong qualification? Sinong MD? MD ka na po? Ay, ano ka? 5,530?
5,530.
Yan, 5,530. I think this is much easier compared to option 2.
if you miss the 30 days, you miss the 30 days.
If you miss the rolling over siya. Say for example, I have hanggang maging 5,500 ka within 30 days period. So could we proceed? Okay. So example, dito naman tayo sa earning potential. Associate is 20%. Diba? By contract, associate 20%. But sometimes I tell 10%. Kasi as an associate, you cannot present on your own outright. So in effect, nasa split siya. So 20 divided by 2, diba? Trainer and trainee. So nagiging 10% in effect. So sabihin na lang natin, so example, associate 20%, join own share. Join own share ka, so naging associate. So what if naka-close ka na, this one is like 850. So 30,000 times 20%, how much do you earn? 6,000. And you target 1 sale per week. So 6,000 times 4, you have 24,000 income per month. Or in annual, or in a year, you have 288,000. Is that a good income? Additional source of income. Okay, marketing director, either you do 5,530 or 3,330 in 90 days. So from 20%, you'll be promoted to 37%. So 37% of 30,000. So here, instead of 6,000, you'll be earning 11,000 times 4. considering that you produce or you have one sale a week. So you have 44,400, or that's a little over $500,000 a year. Okay, but our goal is to become a senior marketing director. Okay, senior marketing director is 30, 30, 90. Unlike dito sa marketing director na dapat direct, ito naman is team effort. Example, ako, member ko kayo, siya nag-2-2, siya nag-1-1, siya nag-3-3, siya nag-5-5, siya nag-10-10. Basta kung ito-total ko yun, tapos umabot ako sa 30, 30, and 3 months or 90 days, then I'll be promoted to senior marketing director. So this is really a team effort. Diba? May vested interest ako sa'yo, so tutulungan kita. Kasi whatever you produce, that will be credited to my family. So I will not be you as a competitor or as an enemy. Rather, I will help you because whatever promotion you will get, that will also be my promotion. Okay, so option 1 is 30, 30, and 90 days on your team or day shop. Replacement leg must have 10, 10, and 90 days. So leg is, I have a member, si Loida member, si Ems, member siya, si Anya member niya. So isang leg to. So dapat may isa akong leg na ang total niya at least should be 10, 10. Or option 2 is you promote 5 marketing directors. Anong MDs? 5, 5, 30. So kung meron kang 5, 5, 30, so 25, 25, 90 days, mapopromote ka rin to become senior marketing director. So whichever comes first, or whichever you find easier, then you have the freedom to choose what option you're gonna do. Okay, the good thing, this should be SMD. The good thing, MD base. So MD is 5, 5, 30. So when you become an MD, you're entitled for an override. Override is the difference of your rate between your rate and to your member's rate. Say for example, ako, associate ko si Vanessa, I am an MD, so how much do I get? 37%. She gets how much? Anong rate na? 20%. So our difference, may override is 17%. So if she closes, example, if she closes K50 or 30,000 annual premium, so I get an override of 17%. So Vanessa will get 30,000 times 20%. My override is 30,000 times 17%. So that's 5,100 times 5. So 25,500. What if may 5 kang associates? So then you will have this income. And of course, hindi pwedeng magdepende ka lang sa overrides. So your members will feel that, naku, parang natutulog siya, tayo na lang nagtatrabaho. So see to it that you also have your personal effort. Actually, mas maganda ang income dito kasi maximum yung rate mo. So 30,000, you were able to close this times your rate, which is 37. So you have 11,100 times 5, so 55,500. So it's really up to us to maximize our business. You might have 20%, 47%. At the end, it depends kung saan siya i-multiply. Kung natulog ka, so kahit 47% times 0, wala tayong income. Tama? So start with 20%, depende yan sa'yo, really be aggressive and do IMG business from 20%, 37%, then ultimately 47%. Ito yung maganda once you become a senior marketing director. Magkano yung override mo sa associate? So 47 minus 20, you get 27%. Sa SMD mo, SMD ka, sa MD mo how much? 47 minus 37, 10%. Personal, sa'yo yan. So 47%. So what if you have this production? May 5 kang associates. Ito yung kino-close nila. So K50 times, you have an overhead of 27%. So 8,100. What if 5 sale siya? So 40,500 per associate. So what if may 5 kang associates? Or sa SMD, may overhead ka na 10%. So 30,000 times 10%, so you get 3,000 times 5 sales. So 15,000. What if may 5 kang MDs, you get an override of 75,000. And of course, don't forget your personal. What if nag-produce ka rin ng 5 sales? So 30,000 times 47%. So 14,100 times 5 sales. So 70,500. So you can have an income like that. Ako, I always tell my people, target to earn over 100,000. Kasi sa company, it requires you to become a manager level. On a manager level, that's to earn that amount. But then, the pressure is really high. So dito, basta masipag ka lang mag-share, hindi ka tamad, part ng system mo yung pag-prospecting, pag-negosyo, doing IMG business every day, hindi ka maghihirap. So what would you do if you earn this extra income? So ito na yung gagamitin mo to build your financial foundation. I remember when I started, of course, diba, family first. So nag-Kaiser ako, nag-Kaiser yung 2 sisters ko na older sa akin. Pero yung 2 brothers ko and yung youngest sister namin na ako nagpapaaral, hindi capable. So what I did, akong sumalo dun sa 2 brothers ko plus sister ko plus yung sa akin. So ang motivation ko dun to do IMG business is to pay out the premium. Kasi nagbabayad ako ng 4 na Kaiser, nagpapaaral ako ng kapatid ko, plus tinutur ko parents ko every year. So it was clear to me na yung sweldo ko sa employment is really not enough. So yun yung motivation ko to maximize yung IMG business. Ayan, medyo nakakalula na to. Pero ang idea lang is, what if SMD ako, SMD ko siya? So magkano yung override ko sa kanya? So pareho ko ng 47. So 47 minus 47, dapat 0. Pero dito you have SMD to SMD. On the first generation, you have 5.5%. So whatever she produces, I have 5.5%. Kunyari, ang income niya 100,000, so I get 5,500. Is it fair? Yes, because akong nag-develop sa kanya. Ako nag-grow sa kanya. What if yung SMD ko, nagka-SMD rin? What si Ems, under kay Lloyd na nag-SMD rin. So I still get 3% override. 2%. Hanggang ano yan, 7th generation. So parang may outlets ka. Na parang may royalty income ka per outlet. So that's the beauty of IMG business. Would you like to own a business with this income? Of course. Ako naranasan, although I have traditional business, mas na-appreciate ko ang IMG. Kasi di ba, kung may tindahan ka, or sabihin may canteen ka, di ba yung nakaka-stress. Dito, di ba, kakausap ka lang ng kausap, turo ka lang ng turo, and the money goes in. Okay, rewards. So in terms of rewards, you'll get a ring. Sapphire is 1 million, 100,000 US dollars, 1 million income a year. Hanggang Ruby is I think 2.5. This is green is 5 million. This one is 20 million, yung black or diamond. So at my level, dun pa lang ako sa blue. Si Miss Ojing, nasa 5. Okay, you need a system if you want to become big. So McDonald's is a system, Jollibee has a system, Starbucks has a system, KFC has a system. Kung may karinderya ka, kailangan ba naman ng sistema? Kahit hindi, kasi isang branch. But if you want to expand na every barangay meron, or every kanto meron, you need a system. So may guidelines dapat, specific set of rules to follow. So without the system, we are then exposed to these problems. Failure, bankruptcy, loss of money, confusion, frustration, chaos, quitting, etc. Kaya nauso yung franchising. Diba? Kasi kung magpa-franchise ka, nakalatag na lahat. From the admin, to the accounting, to the purchasing, inventory, etc. So how to maximize then the business that we have? So attend all meetings. So all big companies have meetings. Like when I was still working, may meeting ako with my supervisor, may department meeting kami, may meeting kami with the VP, may meeting kami with the section, with the president. So it's really a part of a business. So you need to attend meetings if you want to become lead. So you have weekly meetings. Like in our team, it's Tuesdays and Thursdays and Saturdays. You have BPM. So this is bring people to the meeting. You invite your guests or friends here. You bring people here. Advanced training, product training, field training, and conventions. Field training is what if may prospect siya, kakausapin namin sa malapit sa kung saan siya nakatira. So that's field training. And actually, that's where maximum learning comes in sa field. Then conventions. So we have 3 conventions in a year. So 2 of which outside the Philippines, yung isa dito sa Manila. So the convention tayo is coming August 19 and 20. So for me, never miss a convention. It's like if you're a doctor, dapat palagi mong i-update yung sarili mo na every convention nag-a-attend ka. Otherwise, kung ma-miss mo yun, baka wala. Really, literally left behind ka na. Okay, submission to the system. Our system is like this. Isa-spin mo lang siya. Ako, mag-join own ako, so trainee ako. Right? Example, SMB, training ako. Then fast start. How do I do fast start? So in the next 7 days, may 10 akong papakausap sa trainer ko. Okay. Kasi sa 10 na yun, kung 10 per week, so total 40. Sa 40 na kakausapin, dun po makukuha yung 5 members, 5 sales in 30 days. So clearly, hindi pwedeng 5 lang yung papakausap ko. Kasi pwedeng yung dala ayaw. Right? Okay, yung 5 na nag-join sa akin, magpa-fast start din sila. So yung nag-join sa akin, magpa-5 start din. Yung nag-join sa kanila, magpa-fast start din. So spin lang siya ng spin. So kaka-5-5 mo, naka-5 spin ka, ano ng position mo? So may 5 kang 5-5, SMD ka na. So join own share, you become an associate 20%. 5-5-30, you become an MD 37%. Or if you have 5 MDs, hindi lang updated, you become senior marketing director. So 5-5-30 is the system. So just like our body, if the cell is the building component, 5-5-30 is yung building component natin with the ING business. So as your trainer, I will show you how the business works within the next 2 days. So dapat in a month, mag-check ka. So people believe more on what they see rather than what they hear. I have discussed yung mga income, pero kung hindi pa kayo nag-check, nandun pa rin yung doubt, right? You earn income within the month. You aim for higher contract, 37%, which is the empty contract. So anyone can do this. It's very simple. And the fastest way to become a marketing director is to do this. Yung 5-5-30 pa rin. Kesa yung sa 3-3-3-3-3-30. So duplication, then this is the building block of the system. So be a good student of the business. Number 1, teachable, the ability to learn. I think every one of us has that. Diba? Simple lang naman yung dinidiscuss dito. But the challenging part is kung coachable yung tao. Ako, I have members like mga magna cum laude, etc., etc. Alam mo, yun pa yung mahirap i-handle. Kasi parang they want their own way. Diba? Dito, may sistema tayo. So you have to submit to the system. So empty your cup. Kung marami ka nang alam, medyo mas challenging yon. Kunyari, nag-franchise ka ng Jollibee, hindi naman pwedeng sabihin mo, pwede kong sopa na lang yung mga upuan kaysa dun sa matitigas na yellow na upuan. Hindi pwede. Kasi baka ang binili lang yan yung 39 peso meal, pero since sopa yung nilagay mo, magsistay na for 1 day, luging-lugi ka, right? So be coachable. I think your trainer will not teach you kung ikakasama mo yun. Kasi kung ikakasama mo, ikakasama din yung trainer, right? Then discipline, the ability to do things you don't like but necessary to succeed. Madali bang magkausap ng tao? Hindi. Because you're always prone to rejection. So that's discipline. Kahit alam mong may possibility na hindi ka ma-appreciate, na hindi ka susundin, you still have to do that. Because discipline is what? Doing the things you don't like, but it is necessary for you to succeed. Ako, I remember when I was starting, basta sa Philippine National Oil Company nun, kahit yung mga utility workers sa amin, ang kinakausap ko. And parang medyo nasa-surprise lang ako kasi may mga nagsasabi pa sa akin, sir, busy talaga. Kasi grabe naman. Ako naman, diba? Parang yun pa yung reason nila. Parang gusto ko nang sabihin si Lucio Tan na nakaka-golf pa.
how much more tayo. Hindi naman kasing laki niya or kasing dami ng negosyo na meron siya. So run the system, then the system will run your business. So just always do 5, 5, 30. So start making money. Who wants this? So we always start in prospecting. So our inventory in IMG Business is prospects. So list down all your possible clients using your share list from your partner scale. Ako, I will tell the new member, sasabihin ko sa kanya, sige, imagine mo magpapakasala ka. So sino yung mga guests mo? So maglilista ka ba doon ng hindi mo ka-close? Hindi. So maglilista ka ng mga close mo. So family members, relatives, best friends, close friends. So yun yung prospects mo. Don't eliminate people, but qualify them. Because you have the tendency to become a judge. No? Ay, parang siguro may insurance na. Naku, baka i-reject niya ako. Naku, baka nag-invest na siya. So sa kaka-eliminate mo, wala kang nalista. So, reserve the right of a person to say no or yes. Don't judge or don't decide for them. Qualify them. So this is kung married, age 25 and up, coachable, homeowner, married, age 25. CS, if you have children, you have a greater sense of responsibility. If you have children, homeowner, O is an occupation, if you have work, dissatisfied, ambitious, then the most important if the person is coachable. Pero pwedeng, eto lahat, okay siya, pero hindi ka sinusunod. Mas mahirap yun. So this is the most important. Because we have a system, we have to submit to the system. Campaigning, so membership checklist, actually 18 na siya. So from 15, 18, and I think by August, during the convention, it would be 23. So drop by, stop by. Ako, strategy ko to for the last 2 weeks. Makiki-appointment ako, so sasabihin ko lang, ako, alam mo may meeting ako sa area na yan, pero wala naman talaga. So it started with 1. Tapos hanggang, nung nag-confirm siya, hanggang dalawa pang additional yung nandito on that area. It started with stop by lang. Ako actually may meeting ako dyan. Then invitations, social media, like you have Facebook, please for that. Di ba iba yung palaging nagpo-post ka about savings or investment, so people would have an idea of what you're doing. Okay, sinong nag-join through membership? Sinong na-checklist dito? Na survey? Wala. Okay, so this is one of the effective tools to do prospecting because it's easy, simple, fast, and doable. And no rejection, no negative feedback kasi sasagot lang naman sila. So just keep it simple. So just tell, our company is conducting a survey, ito yung saan ka interested ng benefits. May magre-reject ba sa'yo? Diba, i-check lang naman nila. Parang sa restaurant, diba, I think Jollibee does that. Pag-check ka lang. So no rejection. And I think naman no negative feedback. So these are the do's and don'ts. Do's, campaign with your families, friends, office mates, relatives, neighborhood. So your warm market, people who are close to you. So do field training with your SMD or trainer. So at least for the first 5 trainings. Kasi other new members, parang very confident. Sige, ako nang susugod na mag-isa. Hanggang tinatanong na networking ba yan? Paano ka ma-assure na ganito ganyan? Paano siya nag-work? Hanggang sumugod siya sa gera na walang sandata. So, the person will tell, nako, parang hindi ako for IMG. That should have been avoided if you are with your SMD or trainer. So, submit answer checklist to your SMD. So, joint effort kayo to set up the appointment. Do campaign minimum 10 checklists every week. So do it fast. So these are the don'ts, which are just the opposite of your do's. So don't leave the checklist to your prospects. Kasi tayong mga Pilipino, di ba, may ugali na, sige, iabot ko na lang sa'yo. Wala namang mag-check lang naman. Parang it will take an hour or several minutes. Ako sometimes, what I do is, binabasa ko, tapos ito gusto mo ba? Ako na nag-fill out. So don't force anyone to sign. Kung ayaw, ayaw. Don't present if you are not confident yet. So don't use checklists as a brochure. Wala namang produkto doon. Don't delay and don't be lazy. So those who campaign the most will make the most. So this is a business of numbers. The more checklists you have, the more appointments you have, the more appointments you have, the more members and sales you have. The more of that, then you'll be promoted. When you get promoted, the more income that you'll have. So fast start your promotion. So 5-5-30 is the system. So 10 checklists per week means 5-5-30 in 1 month. So 10 times 4, so you have 40. So out of 40, dun mo makukuha yung 5-5-30 mo. Then 10 checklists per week means promotion to marketing director, yung 5-5-30. So checklist is the secret. Promote 5 marketing directors means qualification to become senior marketing director. Magkano na nga yung rate ng senior marketing director? 47%. So promote 5 SMDs means CEO qualification. Okay, we run the system through Shirt. So if mag 7-day blitz ka, in 7 days mag 10 checklist ka, you'll get yung white shirt, like what they're wearing, yung may financial literacy campaign na logo. So just do 10 checklists in a week. That yung 10 na yun, ipakiusap mo dun sa trainer mo or sa senior marketing director. Okay. So you have this material, so you have your workbook and saving your future, right? If you'll attend yung 5 workshops, then you have Kaiser in 3 months or 90 days, you'll get yung green shirt. Ayan. So, membership platforms, IMGs, we have this card available on your online portal. So these are our benefits. So, 4 categories, so education, access to financial products, healthcare, discount, services, rewards. Yun yung main categories ng benefits natin. Okay, di ba nag-checklist ka, getting the white shirt? Dun sa, kung nag-checklist ka ng 10 per week, dun mo makukuha siguro kaagad-agad yung 3-3-30. If you become 3-3-30, then you become an MD Club. Hence, you'll get the blue shirt. Ayan. So, attend convention. Me, I never missed a convention since I started. Isa lang pala yung pinakauna. Kasi I joined September, then I think mga 2 weeks convention na kagad. And I have an interview with a mining company at the time. Ang daming excuse no. Pero yun lang na-miss ko. After that, wala na. I attended conventions in the Middle East and the US. And sa mga attendees, ito yung choice sa mga babae kung anong color ng gown. For men, black and black. So, pwede ka mag-tuxedo, black yung undergarment or... Ayan. So with that, thank you very much and see you at the top on your IMG business. Please stay for the workshop. And awarding for graduates of Fast Track is after the workshop. So with that, thank you very much. Apo.